There is a lot of uncertainty around what privacy really means on the web. But when we ask our customers what they want, we hear a consistent answer: less creepiness. And it's true. There is a lot of creepiness that happens on the web, and we believe that browsers should do more to protect you. We can't talk about online privacy and security without addressing passwords. Did you know that each year hundreds of millions of online personal credentials get exposed in data breaches and end up for sale on the dark web? Introducing Password Monitor, which alerts you as soon as it learns that your credentials have been compromised on the web. Not only is it free, but it's also really easy to use. Anytime I use autofill, Password Monitor gets to work, regularly checking to see if my information has been compromised. When it finds something, it alerts me either when I open a new tab or when I visit the impacted website, whichever comes first. When I click on the notification, I'm taken into settings to see the full list of my impacted accounts. I see that my username and password to the pet shop have been compromised, which is particularly concerning because I have my credit card and my address saved on file to make it easier to buy treats for my dog Jack. I definitely want to fix this right away. When I click Change Password, I'm routed straight to the reset experience. Once I've updated my password, I can save it to autofill so I don't have to remember it later. Password Monitor will automatically add to its list of credentials to monitor. I can now focus on what I need to get done, knowing that Edge has got my back.